me give you a very simple calculation. A typical large language model is trained with something on the order of 20 trillion tokens, right? Or 20,000 billion tokens. A token is like a word, more or less. A token typically is represented on 3 bytes. So 20 or 30 trillion tokens, each on 3 bytes. That's about 10 to the 14 bytes, a 1 with 14 zeros behind it. This is the totality of all the text available publicly on the internet. It would take any of us several 100,000 years to read through that material. Okay, so it's an enormous amount of information. But then you compare this with the amount of information that gets to our brain through the visual system in the first 4 years of life, and it's about the same amount. In 4 years, a young child has been awake a total of about 16,000 hours. The amount of information getting to the brain through the optic nerve is about 2 megabytes per second. Do the calculation, and that's about 10 to the 14 bytes. It's about the same. In 4 years, a young child has seen as much information or data as the biggest LLMs. And what that tells you is that we're never going to get to human level AI by just training on text. We're going to have to get systems to understand the real world. And that understanding the real world is really hard.